Here are 5 healthy, weight loss friendly snacks to add to your diet. 1. Mixed nuts. Nuts are an ideal nutritious snack, providing healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Aside from being tasty, they're linked to numerous health benefits and are very filling. Studies also suggest that despite their higher calorie, fat content, eating nuts in moderation may help you lose weight. 2. Red bell pepper with guacamole. The combo of red bell peppers and guac gives you plenty of nutrients that help keep you feeling full for hours. Although all bell peppers are nutritious, red varieties are exceptionally high in antioxidants. 3. Cottage cheese and fruit. Cottage cheese is high in filling protein, boasting 24 grams in just 1 cup. Pairing cottage cheese with fruit complements the cheese's protein and fat content with the fruit's fiber, resulting in a sweet, creamy, and filling snack. The combination is perfect when combining the cheese with tropical fruits such as pineapple, papaya, or watermelon. 4. Dark chocolate and almonds. Dark chocolate and almonds are a fantastic pair. The rich chocolate flavor paired with the crunchy nuts is a powerful flavor and health duo. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants, and almonds are a rich source of healthy fats. The two make a great combo for a heart-healthy, satisfying, and portable snack. 5. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are one of the healthiest and most weight-loss-friendly foods you can eat. They are incredibly filling, thanks to their protein content,